Hello, I'm Syed Naeema Kashani, teacher at Primary School Narkara, Badgam, Jammu and Kashmir. I teach English up to primary level. I teach them basics of language and stress upon four skills of language as listening, speaking, reading and writing. Almost all of my students are first generation learners who could not read or write properly up to the primary level. The biggest challenge which I faced throughout my service. After working on this, I realized that the children could learn the alphabets and could recognize them as well, but at the same time, they could not read and pronounce the words. I reflected on my teaching methodology and realized that I did not teach them sounds, by which they not only could pronounce or read, but can make new words out of the sounds from A to Z. I observed that my students found it difficult to read or write long as well as short words. So, my dear colleagues, my today's topic is sounds. Do not confuse your children by saying letter name while teaching alphabets. Rather, teach them to utter sounds. Let me explain how to teach sounds to beginners from A to Z by using flashcards. This will help them to learn both letters as well as sounds. Here my teaching aid is not the usual one, that is blackboard and chalk, but the attractive flashcards. I decided to work on the learning outcomes where students were trying to read and write by trying a new pedagogy. Hi. Do not make this mistake by saying the letter name to children. But do not say them A, but teach them letter sounds like by using these flashcards like A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. So my dear colleagues, my today's project objective is to ensure the students could make sounds out of letters or alphabets by using these flashcards. This is what I did to produce sounds out of letters. In order to make the lessons more effective, I used these attractive flashcards from A to Z. I made them repeat the sounds by using different gestures like eye contact and motion of lips.